Meet Mrs. Richer, lives in Whitney, TX. Few days ago, she was taking a ride in yellow cab offered by Texas Yellow Cab and AMP, Checker Taxi Service. She was satisfied with their 24/7 door-to-door transportation with on-time pick-up and drop facility. She always suggests others to avail their prompt taxi service due to their fully air-conditioned, clean and sanitized cabs. They even have a team of professional and courteous cab drivers who always maintain all kind of safety precautions to ensure passengers' safety during COVID-19 pandemic. They always maintain the best shortcut routes to help Mrs. Richer to reach her destination on time. And the best part is that, she was glad to avail their comfortable cab service at affordable fare. So, stop thinking further. Book your yellow cab ride by dialing 817-881-6863 or send an email at contact@bigtexascabs.com to share your requirements. If you want to know more about their cab services, then browse through https://bigtexascabs.com/